Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install AutoHotkey in your computer in a very simple way. First we have to convert into any of our favorite browser, and then we need to convert our search option, and here we need to search for AutoHotkey. And then we need to click enter, and then we'll find our AutoHotkey website over here. We can simply click on it, and then there will be a verifying. And then here we are in this AutoHotkey website, and here is the download option. So if you click on the download, and there will be two options to download version called download v2.0 and download v1.1. So I'm going to go for the download v2.0. So if we click on that, as you can see, the download has been started. So what we have to do, we just simply click on the AutoHotkey, and there will be installation options. So if you just wanted to change your file location, you can simply do that, but I'm going to remain it as it is and simply click on install mode for all user and simply click on install. After a very short time, as you can see, the installation is completed, and now here you can simply create a new script, compile, help files, and Windows Spy, and lots of options. If you want to know how to use AutoHotkey, you can simply comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.